Let there be a light! Hey, it's Blake at DD Audio. We're showing off our brand new LED speaker rings. Everybody loves RGB. We wanted to give y'all a way to spruce up your speaker builds. But instead of just going with a standard speaker ring that goes behind the speaker and just sheds some ambient light to the side, we custom tooled whole new geometry that disperses the light to the front and to the sides, making it way easier to see. We also used premium LEDs, and quite a few of them, to make these really bright so they stand out. And these work with tons of 6.5 and 8-inch speakers, like our E and D series coaxes and components, as well as most of our VO 6 and 8-inch speakers. And I'm sure they work with other brands too. When we custom tooled these, we went with an extra large outer diameter, as well as the slotted screw holes to make sure they'd fit with a ton of different speakers. And they're even big enough to accommodate our grills, so you can protect the speakers and look great while doing it. These of course come with a remote that can control all of the LED rings simultaneously, which is really fun. This is a super easy and fantastic way to make your car or build look way better, get all the attention at the next show, party, anything else you take it to. Pick up a pair from your local DD Audio dealer or from our website ddaudio.com today, and have a good one, y'all.